Hello guys, welcome. In today's lesson, this is your very own teacher, the Unza graduate teacher. In today's lesson guys, we are looking at a question which came in last year exams, 2025 Maths paper 1, a question which was a question 4, which was a set question. So let us look at the question. The question was saying, shade A complement intersection, open bracket B intersection C close bracket on the diagram in the answer space below. So when you are given such a question, you must always come up with a format. So you can just put the numbers to represent the region. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the outside region you can say 8. So whatsoever number that is going to replace remain here, that means that's the region that you are going to shade. So 1 represent all this region, 2 just all this just region, 5 this region, 4 this region we want the middle. Then 8 represent all the outside region. When 8 remains, that means you are going to shade all the region outside. So let us solve the question. The question was said A complement. A complement, when they tell you A complement, that means A complement, it is a set that is not needed in the universal set. So that means they are telling you to remove A, those values that you are going to remain with, that's A complement. That means A complement is 3, 6, 7, 8. So here that means you are going to put A complement, which is 3, 6, 7, 8. This is A complement. Then you put intersection. Then you put the brackets. You put the brackets first. Then you put a symbol of a set. Here you have to put the set B. Set B, it is 3. You can start with 2. Say 2, 3. The numbers, there's 2, 3, 4, 6 in B. Then 4, 6. Then you put a symbol of a set. Then you put the intersection. So intersection C. That means it will be intersection C. In C there is 4, 6, 5, 7. Then you put a symbol of a set, then you close the brackets like this. So now, here they are telling you to find the numbers that are common in B and in C. That's intersection. So now you have to find the numbers that are common in B and in C. So the numbers that are common in B and C, these are the numbers just 4 and 6. Even when you check here, you find the numbers that are found in B and C, it is 4 and 6. So it is 4 and 6. You put like this. That means you are found then it is 4 and 6 which are found here. That means you put the intersection now. Intersection A complement. A complement, you have said there is the 3, 6, 7, 8. Then you have to find now A complement intersection B intersection C, which is this one. Now which are common, the numbers that are common in this set and in this set. So you're going to say, when you check 3, 3 is not here. When you check 6, 6 is here. When you check 7, 7 is not here. When you check 8, 8 is not here. So that means the answer that you have found is 6. So now, the area that you are going to shade, it is just this area. So you have only found the area which you have found that you are going to shade. It is this is 6. So the area you are going to shade just this area where there is this 6. So you have to create this for numbers on your own on the different answer booklet. Don't write it the way I've write it in the either like this. So when you shade, that's when you can go now in the answer booklet. You shade the shade. Don't have to put the numbers in the answer booklet. So guys, thank you very much for having time to watch my video. Why should you continue to struggle with mathematics when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just subscribe to my channel for more mathematics videos. If it's on YouTube where you are watching me, follow my channel and like my video.